Real quick, I'm gonna show you how to change the distributor, rotor, and cap on these Volkswagen Mk3 2.0s. Really easy, quick, just take the plug off. Unclip this. There's one more in the back. I like to use a flathead screwdriver if you can't reach it. They're pretty easy. There's the cap. Inspect it, make sure everything's good. You can use the flathead. Clean off these little metal pieces right here. Check that, make sure it has spring action. Everything's good here. Oh, just lost the screwdriver. It's alright. Here's the rotor. Just pulls right out. Make sure that's clean, or just replace a new one. It can only go in one way, as you can see. So you can't put it in the wrong way. Just grab the new rotor. Put it all nice and tight. That's just a moisture cap right there. Grab your new cap. Put it on the same way you got it. Just push that all the way up. Same on the other side. Lock it in tight. It's easy if you squeeze from the bottom of it. Make sure all these are on tight. Spark plugs, I like to number them, just so I know what they are. Plug back on. That's pretty much it. Quick distributor change, quick rotor change. If you liked this video, please like. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.